Hello, welcome on my new training. Wahoo! We are so happy. We are so happy, and I'm so happy to share with you Microsoft Teams. Of course, Microsoft Teams. It's one of the best solutions today to do collaboration, and we'll see, of course, more the admin part. Okay, so first of all, we will see this solution that there is other solution, of course, than Teams, even if Teams is the best solution today for collaborating work. We'll see, of course, how Teams is built in with SharePoint, and of course how to use Teams, how to try Teams, of course, and how to understand how, of course, Teams is integrated with SharePoint and interact with OneDrive also. So we'll see, of course, also information about deployment of Team, the fast track, the best practice, how to deploy Teams clients, of course, and how to use mobile client. PSN calls. Do you want to make calls? Of course, we'll see how to make telephone calls. We'll see also Office 365 group, how they are so important with Teams. Team and channels, of course. So Teams, how to set the permission, the team settings, the channels, what is the private chat, what is channel chat, and of course authentication and access. How do you add license, grant user to access Teams, the different way to access the solution with the authentication, the guest access, and of course policies. Policies is so important. The PowerShell team policies, how to set it with PowerShell, and all the other policies. We'll see, of course, apps, tabs, and more. What is apps? What is tab? What is bots? And of course, team meeting. How to set up a meeting, the different policies here, the anonymous user, and of course the global network, how to improve your network with Microsoft Teams. We'll see, of course, information about security and compliance, all the where your data are, the security, your compliance score, the security setting in Teams, the information protection, and the advanced threat protection (ATP). Wow, I love it. Security and compliance, and of course the communication compliance. We'll see some usage and how to see how the user are using Teams today. Okay. Some information about SharePoint Online, of course. What is SharePoint Online? The admin console. How do you set it PowerShell? The site collection. The upside, the storage limit, and OneDrive, of course. What is OneDrive? The future of OneDrive, the admin center, the client. How do you sync information? Migration of your data, migration tools, the client OneDrive, multi-geo, and how do you manage the storage? Okay. So that will be the complete training. So wow, a lot of things to do. So